Hi, I'm Aaron Marcus, and I know it's really hard breaking into the acting and modeling industry. And you know what I find is actually even harder than breaking in? It's having success. After you've, gotten into the industry, what do you do to start getting work? That part, I think, is even harder. And the reason why I know exactly how hard that is because that's the situation I was in a little over 33 years ago, before I became a full-time actor and a commercial model. I struggled. I didn't have a mentor, didn't have someone in the business who could really show me what I needed to do. And I spent years just doing things by trial and error and trying to figure things out. It was really hard. It was expensive, time consuming. And that's one of the reasons why I love giving my Book the Job workshop. Actually, I'm going to be in Columbus, Ohio on February the 1st and Cincinnati on the 2nd. It's going to be an incredible workshop. You can see the link below and place that into your browser to get more details. But I'm going to be teaching you everything from how to figure out your type, how to use your nervousness to your advantage, ways to prepare before auditions, auditioning techniques. We will even have an actual audition and a go-see, an audition for models. I will shoot them, play them back, critique them. You'll learn how to market yourself, whether you have an agent or not. If you do, still send the job through your agent, how to deal with contracts, how to shoot auditions from home and answer all of your questions. It's going to be an incredible day. Plus, as a bonus, at each workshop, I'm going to have a local agent from the Helen Wells Agency, one in Columbus, one in Cincinnati. This will be a great opportunity for you to meet an agent, or if you're already working with that agent, this will give you a chance to talk with the agent outside of office hours, which will be really helpful to you. I do have limited seating, so you want to register as soon as possible. If you have any questions, just email me at Aaron, Aaron, at howtoactandmodel.com. But I look forward to seeing you on either February 1st or February 2nd. See ya.